And then of course you got to do the opposite leg, right? And so I'll show you some of the stuff that I would do to so while I'm here and I'm so uncomfortable stretching my hamstring, right? And the leg on the floor is facing forward, right? I'm not bending my knee. You want to be up like scissors, straight, right? No bends, right? So from here, after this starts to get loose, maybe you can start to crawl up your leg, right? I haven't done this in a while, so I'm going to stay right here at the knee. I'm already crying inside right here, right? So I'm here. But eventually, you would go to the shins, to the ankles, right? You would be reaching this way, and doing this one, and doing this one. And then after you get all warmed up there, and again, you don't want to bend at the back either. You want to bend at the waist. When you do start getting to that point where you're more comfortable stretching forward, going beyond your basic, countertop stretch, you don't want to bend at the back. You want to bend at the waist, right? So anyway, now the foot on the floor is going to face the wall. Whoop! Oh, looky here, right? Same thing. This foot's facing up, right? And I would go from here. Sometimes I would go from here. Because even then, some kicks, your feet are going to be, your feet on the floor might be at all different sorts of angles. So it's good to get comfortable in the most uncomfortable positions, right? Here, 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 stretching all of this. Goodness, right? And so then after, 30 to 60 seconds, roll the hip. Oh, look at it, right? And if you look, I'm upright. I'm not bent over. My hip's not back. I'm upright. Like I'm saying, just like you're standing, foot up. Just like you're standing. Whoop. Get that. You want that heel out. Boom. A side teep, that's a thing. Right? But the heel to the head, your heel is going to be your most crucial impact point, striking surface, right? So here you are. And again, you can get that flexion in there. Get this working. Get used to being here. I mean, who knows? Somebody could catch your kick, and then while you're trying to not fall over or get swept, this little boom, 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 that little bit of push right there can send them, or give you enough to be able to break. And I mean, if you want to be fancy, I could be throwing all sorts of spin hook kicks, jump back kicks. And I mean, if you got my foot, it don't matter. I could just straight bow, and the guy holding on to your leg, even if you do that, they're gonna come in right into your kick, But being comfortable up here and being able to have that little bit of oomph, again, you don't always have to chamber up. You can be right here and deliver a decent kick. And so then, even then, now the grounded foot is facing that way. Oh yeah, I feel it. Flexion right here, right in my back. I'm crying inside, right? And so here we are. I mean, and really, you would even go for one last roll. Oh, I feel it all up in my hip flexor, right? I'm stretching it. So stretchful, right? But yeah, some of the stuff you could do.